welcome to my channel. This is Iris. I know this hat, right? So today, as I promised last time, I'm still working on my Jaclyn Morphe palette makeup challenge number 2. Yes, number 2. So today's look, I am going to call this the Yellowstone geyser makeup look. Yeah, so this one just instantly reminded me the good time in Yellowstone. I'm not sure if you guys have been there, but definitely that's a place you have to go before you die. And they have those upper basin geyser, and it's basically just like a volcano but with a bunch of like mineral water. It's just beautiful, magical color Mother Nature created to us. It's just so beautiful. Basically it's kind of like orangey-ish and a turquoise and mixed up together, and I'm sure you've seen this 1,000 times on Pinterest or anywhere on the internet. It's just so beautiful. I probably will plug a picture somewhere. So yeah, this hat also, I think it goes well with this look. I'm not sure, but you know, beret is just so popular for this season. I'm telling you guys, this is not easy to put it on, beret. It's just so hard to make it look nice on top of my head instead of looking like a mushroom. So yeah, I feel like this matches with my look today to create this layers of rusty orange with like vibrant turquoise green. I'm out of words. So yeah, this is the look I created with Morphe eyeshadow palette number 2, and I will keep going until the 10, I guess. Yeah, for now. So without further ado, let me show you guys how did I achieve this look effortlessly, and it's just like really easy with this palette. It took me less than 30 minutes. Usually it should take longer, but this is amazing palette, I'm telling you guys. Let's start from the beginning. So as usual, I already bundled my hair up and also have done my eyebrow, which is nowadays taking the most of the time. And I also put on my lipsticks this time. So the one I chose for today is from Tom Ford. It's their number 64 called High Roll. So it's kind of like orange undertone lipsticks, but also have this chrome, dual chrome. Some people think it looks like the CB96 from MAC. Kind of similar effect, but I think this one is redder than MAC. I think this one should match with today's look. Okay, now let me show you how did I achieve today's look. So first, let's just warm up the eye socket as usual. The color I warm up with my socket is this one, which is the one creamsicle I started with last time as well. That was an orange tone. I really don't like to tap on the palette. I feel like it's just making a lot of mess. My method is usually just in the end when I'm almost done, before I finish, I will just use a clean fluff brush to soften the edge. I think it works just fine. Oh shoot, I should just do one eye. I'm getting too excited again. Save you guys some time, because I know you guys have kids to watch, meal to cook, dog to walk, all the things on the plate. So the second one, I kind of deepen the eyelid one. It's the Hounds, this one. A little bit darker break tone. I'm trying to blend these two colors together. This just brings me all the way back to Yellowstone again. I feel like maybe next time when I go there, I'll just wear a makeup look I created today. And then I go even deeper with the one down below called Jacz, J-A-C-Z. You can tell, like, they just all blended so well, like, happily live ever after. Anyway, so far I've used a 3 color. So now let's go into the center. And I'm going to do just a little cut crease, because I don't want to make it too dramatic. Now let's use a little accent brush, that's the name. Just want to carve the edge. I feel like when I use concealer, the color payoff is even better. a pop up turquoise mineral blue. So now let's use, so excited, this one, Pool Party. So I will like to use my finger because I think that's the best way. Look, isn't that pretty? This is all you can dream of as the pigmentation goes. Like, just so vibrant. It's everything I want. Beautiful, it's just so beautiful. Let's go a little bit higher. Just a little bit. Now let's use the creamsicle again to blend the edge. Okay, now use fonts. See if I've been more careful with the crease. I think the edge should go darker, just a little bit. So it has this really big contrast. So I'm gonna go deep in the checks again. Okay. I think the creamsicle needs to go a little bit higher. I say they look pretty separately, and also when they mix together they create another kind of magic. It's just beautiful. This is so pretty. I'm so happy that I can create the Yellowstone on my eyelid. Let's go with Jada. The matte green. Two little blend the edge. You know, we're doing the geyser. It has to be mixing together. I think I'm pretty good with the upper eyelid now. So as usual, I'm going to pause now and then finish the other eye and put on falsies and see how it goes. Okay, so I am back. Now the falsies are on and this eye is finished, and we can tell the edge definitely needs a little bit more of a kick. So I am going to use something brownie, which is this one here. To fill in the gap between the eyeliner and the eyeshadow. So now let's use that creamsicle brush, just blending everyone. To make it a good transitioning from the eyelid to the eyebrow. Okay, so now let's working on the lower eyelid. I'm just gonna use this one for start. Let's use the blue one, Jada one, which is the matte green. Mostly apply in the middle, and then we'll use the dark one at the end. Okay, I'm not done yet. We need a blend. Can just pile the color on and say done. Gotta do it right. Okay, so now we need a little bit of the brighten up, by the way, which is the beam. This step is totally necessary. Totally. Okay, so now we need to wipe off anything down below there to make it more clean and crisp. If you want to go above and beyond, what you can do is use the Shape Tape. I can't tell you guys how much I love that thing. Yeah, I would say it is pretty good. Just good as new, like nothing happened. So, oh, another thing I forgot to tell you guys, I was keep checking in the mirror when I was doing the other side, and then I realized my lipstick color, it's just a little bit too pinky. So I wipe it off and then put another one on it. It looks much better now and more cohesive. And this is the one from MAC and it's their mocha. Let me tell you guys, this one just matches with everything. Like this is the best color for winter fall season. If you have to buy one lipstick for this winter, this is the one. Like I'm just so obsessed with it and I use it multiple times. I didn't know I'll be just so falling in love with MAC this year, because that's one thing bad about me. I'm such a bad package sucker. And you know MAC, they're just really like down to earth, low profile, everything just looks so professional and black and just nothing fancy. And I was like, this is just no, not ugly, just like not boring. Yes, the package can be boring. Their usual one, not their limited edition, but yeah, the usual package can be really boring, and I was like, no, I want something prettier. But no, as long as you're not a package sucker, you definitely will love it. Love it. I guarantee you. Okay, since my hat is on, that means it completes the video. I hope you guys like this Yellowstone geyser look with my beret on. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. You know you will love it. And I will see you guys next time for the makeup challenge number 3 with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette. Yes, I will see you guys till next time. Bye!